Welcome to pronunciation and tone practice. Today, we start right at the beginning. The first four Mandarin sounds in Pinyin. B, P, Mo, Fo. Our goal is simple. By the end of this video, you'll feel four clear moves in your mouth. Gentle B, B, strong P, P, and a humming M, M. Lip to teeth, F. Inside real and using everyday sentences. First, a quick warm up in English. Close your lips and say ba, ba. Now say pa, pa, pa with a small puff of air. Same lips, same breath, but there is the main difference between Chinese B and P. Ba, pa. Okay, now we do it in Mandarin. First sound ba. So in Pinyin, ba is light. Close your lips. Let them move softly. Almost no puff of air. Just a small, clean sound. Try ba. I say ba, ba. Now put it in words you already know. Baba, baba. Bu, bu. Not or no. Listen. Baba, bu. Baba, bu. Notice the lips are soft, not a big heavy B sound like in English. Baba, boo, baba, boo. No, it's baba, boo. The second sound is P. Now we add a little puff of air. Close your lips and then let them open with a tiny explosion, like blowing a small candle. Pa, pa. Now a short line. 我不怕，我不怕. I'm not afraid. 怕 is afraid. 不怕 is not afraid. 不怕. So first a gentle B, 不, and then a stronger P, 怕. 我不怕，我不怕. The third sound is M. M is easy. Close your lips and let the sound hum through your nose. Ma, ma, ma. You already know mama, mother. 米饭, rice, cooked rice, or a meal. 米饭, 米饭. Let's make a useful sentence. 妈妈喜欢米饭. Mama 喜欢米饭. Mother likes rice. Now the fourth sound, F. For F, touch your bottom lip to your top teeth and blow a thin line of air. Fa, fa, fa. Now put it in a word we used before. Fun, fun, rice meal. 米饭 or 饭馆, 饭馆. That's a restaurant. 饭馆, rice house. 饭馆. A short sentence. 我们在饭馆. 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 Let's join BPMF together in one mini story. 爸爸在哪里? Father, where are you? 在哪里? 爸爸在哪里? 他在家，他在饭馆。他不在家，他不在家。不，他在饭馆。饭馆。He isn't at home, he's at the restaurant. 妈妈喜欢米饭。 妈妈喜欢米饭。Mother likes rice. 妈妈米饭。You can already feel the BPMF doing real work in daily life. 爸爸在家，妈妈喜欢米饭。Now just put in some tones. Just a brief introduction to tones. Ma, 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 ma. Don't worry about the characters, just listen to the shape. I say ma, 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 ma. Say it again with me. Ma, 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 ma. 我不骂你。I'm not scolding you. 我不骂你。我不骂你。I'm not scolding you. Ma is scold. Ma is scold. Ma is mother. Mama. Ma. 我。Mother scolds me. Mama 骂我。Mama 骂我。So you hear the gentle b in the 不 a strong falling tone in ma, scold, or a first tone, high tone in ma. More useful sentences. 爸爸，爸爸在哪里？爸爸在哪里？ Not baba, baba. That's the English B. Ba, ba, boy. In the Chinese, B is boy, not boy. 他不在家，他不在家，不 not 不。他在饭馆，饭馆。妈妈喜欢米饭，妈妈喜欢米饭。我不怕，我不怕。I'm not afraid. 中文不难，中文不难。我慢慢说，我慢慢说。慢慢 is slowly. 难 is difficult. 不难 is not difficult. If you have not been in a classroom for many years, it's normal your mouth to feel a little bit stiff. Be kind to yourself. Do this drill 1 minute, 2 minutes a day, and your Chinese will slowly sound clearer and steadier. When you feel comfortable with p, mo, fo, you can move to the next group. T, t, n, l, the tongue tip sounds. For now, 我祝你学习顺利，学习快乐 meaning study smooth, happy study.